We're gonna be heading out this weekend, so we're gonna do a little prep before the pull today. I'm gonna take you guys along with me.
Before we roll, sun's barely up, coffee in a cup, boots on the gravel, time to gear up. Walk around slow, don't rush the plan. Safety first, that's how we stand. Hand on the fender, check that tread. Kick each tire like Grandpa said. Gauge in my pocket, PSI right. Ready to tow, but not yet, not quite. Looks tied down, torque wrench click. No loose ends on a rig this big. 7-pin lock, lights all glow. We don't move till we know. Before we roll, before we ride, before those white lines start to slide. We check it once, we check it twice. Freedom's earned, not rolled on dice. Hitches tight, chains cross low. Brake controller set to go. 2 days, 2 dogs, 1 highway goal. The safety's how we rock and roll. Bolts on a hitch, torque and spec. Weight distribution, double check. Breakaway cable clipped in clean. Mirrors wide so I can see. Test the brakes, give a pull. Feel that trailer nice and full. No sway bar slack, no guessing games. Confidence before we claim. Battery charged, doors latch down. Awning lock jacks off the ground. Propane closed, steps tucked in. Now the weekend can begin. Before we roll, before we ride, before those white lines start to slide. We check it once, we check it twice. Freedom's earned, not rolled on dice. Hitches tight, chains cross low. Brake controller set to go. 2 days, 2 dogs, 1 highway go. Safety's how we rock and roll. It ain't about hurry, it ain't about speed. It's about getting there with everything we need. Family, freedom, and peace of mind. Preparation buys you time. Before we roll, before we ride, before that sunrise fills the sky, we tighten bolts and trust our feel. Steel on steel, rubber on wheel. Nuggie's ready, Arbie set. Best weekends ain't left a chance. We don't tow without control. Prep it right, then rock and roll. Then rock and roll. Whoa, yeah. Crew cab pack, we don't ride like 10,000 pounds sitting just right. Weight distribution bars locked in. Sway control tight, let the roll begin. Mirrors wide like a panoramic view. Dogs in the back like a hype man crew. Brake controller dial just so. Steady foot, that's the tow rig flow. Hitch locked down, mirrors wide. Heavy on the back but smooth on the ride. We don't flex chrome, we flex control. This ain't a truck, it's a tow rig flow.